What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa Ruby and thank you guys for stopping by. So for this video we are doing a Halloween-y costume, I don't know, makeup look, Halloween makeup look, something. We're doing something. I will show you guys everything that I bought. So none of these things are professional grade. I did not have time to order it off Amazon or online. I know, but I thought about this just recently and I thought it would be really cool to make it happen. So I have a bald cap, I have the spirit gum adhesive, and all of this stuff is from Spirit Halloween, and I have some liquid latex. What else? Oh, I already have these aqua paints from VENOM from the year before. I have black and white, and I have a metallic-y silver if I have to use it. So I ended up getting this idea because we are going to see Venom today, and I'm so excited. This is my reference picture, and I thought it'd be cool for Venom to take over a makeup artist slash beauty tuber. I think it'd be cool. So I'm gonna keep my reference picture here, and I'm just gonna put some music on and let things flow to me because I do not know how I'm going to do this. So I hope it comes out good, and if you want to see how to do this Venom costume, then keep on watching. Let's get started because I have no idea how this is gonna happen. Also, peep my little Halloween cat ears that are so cute. Also from Spirit Halloween. Alright, anyways, let's get started. finished Halloween look. Oh my god. This took forever. I don't know when I started. I should have looked at the time. But it was in the morning. It was about like 10 o'clock or so. And my husband called me around noon. And then now it's 4:20. Yeah, this took a while. But I like it now. I didn't really like it with just the paint on itself, so I had to make something happen. So hopefully you guys like this tutorial. Bye! Thank you guys so much for watching.